Most people download money apps expecting instant financial relief, but they rarely understand how these apps actually work. Here's the truth, no one tells you. Apps like Empower are not just about quick cash. They are built around spending insights, budgeting tools, and short-term financial support. In this video, you'll get a clear, honest review of the Empower app in 2026, how it works, what it offers, and most importantly, whether it is actually worth using. Let's get right into it. Empower is a financial app designed to help users manage money, track spending, and in some cases access cash advances based on eligibility. It connects to your bank account and analyzes your income and expenses to provide financial tools tailored to your situation. For example, Alex signs up and links his bank account. The app immediately starts tracking his spending patterns and shows him where his money is going each week. That alone can be useful for people who struggle with budgeting. But here's the problem. This is where most people get confused. They think Empower guarantees cash advances to everyone. That is not true. Eligibility depends on income patterns, account history, and internal risk checks. Now here's where it gets interesting. Even if you don't qualify for advances, the app still offers value through budgeting insights. It breaks down spending categories like food, transport, subscriptions, and entertainment in a simple way. For example, Jake discovered he was spending more on recurring subscriptions than he expected. That small insight helped him cut unnecessary expenses and save money each month. In a minute, I'll explain who actually benefits most from using Empower. Another feature users talk about is automated savings tools. The app can suggest small amounts to save based on your spending behavior. These savings may seem small at first, but they can add up over time if used consistently. But here's something important you should know. Empower is not a replacement for a traditional bank account. It works alongside your bank, not instead of it. Your main banking, salary deposits, and large transactions still happen through your primary bank. Now here's where it gets interesting. The value of Empower really depends on your financial habits. If you already track your spending carefully, you may not need it. But if you struggle with budgeting, or want a clearer view of your money, it can be helpful. So is Empower worth it in 2026? The answer depends on your needs. If you want budgeting help, spending insights, and possible short-term cash support, it can be useful. If you only want a basic banking experience, you may not need it. The key takeaway is simple. Empower is a financial support tool, not a full bank replacement. It works best when used to improve money awareness and short-term financial control. If this review helped you understand the Empower app better, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.